Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE A53 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So, to get started, you'll need to hold your power button, and from the boot options, you want to hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, which you want to confirm by selecting OK. It will initiate that reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will automatically be in safe mode. Now that being said, safe mode is primarily used for troubleshooting your device. If you have some kind of problem with it, maybe you have installed some malicious application that you can't get rid of, or you can't use your device correctly in the normal mode because of such an app, then you can boot it into safe mode. And that application will no longer be able to cause you any troubles because it won't be able to run at all. And from there, you can just solve your problems, troubleshoot, and reboot the device to get back into normal mode. Now, the reason I'm mentioning that is because, like the malicious application, most applications that you have installed, or well, all the applications that you will install, will not work in this mode. Only the pre-installed apps like phone, basically the dialer, messages, and so on, will function. Everything else is temporarily disabled. So right here we can see that all the applications will work on this page. But if I swipe to the left, you can see that now this page of apps is not accessible to me. They are basically transparent, and if you try to open them up, it gives you a pop-up downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So you can see which apps you won't be able to use. So there we go. And like I mentioned, once you're done with the safe mode and you want to go back to normal one, hold your power button and select restart. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically goes to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.